In this educational video, we will show the termination of a one-piece BNC and RCA compression connector. The tools needed to complete the installation are TLC-SST strip tool and TLSN-SA compression tool. First, we'll use the strip tool. Place the cable into the strip tool. Twist the strip tool twice around the cable in a clockwise motion, then twice in a counterclockwise motion. Remove the tool. Do not pull the tool from the cable. Remove the insulation and jacket using your fingers. Place the cable into the connector body, placing the center conductor into the internal connector hole. Once the center conductor is seated, push the cable into the connector. By pushing the cable, the external center pin will move into its final position. You will hear a clicking sound. Seat the BNC or RCA connector into the compression tool. Adjust the knob until finger tight. This will assure complete compression. Squeeze the compression tool handles while holding the cable in place. This completes the termination of the one-piece compression connector.